Hello, doodads and doodettes. Today we got a little project with all the renewed interest in Atari 2600. I'm going to show you how to make an Atari or Commodore joystick tester. It works for both of them using these parts, that resistor, GB9, battery holder, and some PCBs from PCBWay. You can easily make up a batch of 10 of these. Keep one in your car for when you're out thrifting at the thrift store, and you can test joysticks before you buy them, or at garage sales or whatever. Give some to some friends, pass them around, have some fun. Let's melt some solder and get it done.
Say, kids, what time is it?
It's 8-bit doodads time!
Okay, we always start with the lowest to the board items. This is going to take one 150 ohm resistor. We're going to use side A up. We're going to put all the components facing this direction. And that's the resistor. Let me find my cutters. It's not my cutters. Okay. Put the leads. I guess next we're going to go for the... Well, we don't have a whole lot of parts. We got LEDs, got the resistor done. We have this. And we have the battery holder. I'm going to go for the battery holder. There goes that. And that's the battery holder. Okay, we're going to go for some LEDs next. This is a set of... It's a mixed set of different colors. I'm going to go with the purple ones, and hopefully they're not mixed up in the container. Now, I should have said that the resistor, it doesn't matter which direction it goes in. But with the LEDs, the longer leg is positive, and the board is marked where the positive leg goes for each and every one of them, all 5 of them. So let's just get to it. Now you'll notice I'm sorry, there's 6 of them actually, so I'm going to grab a 6th one. It's got 2 fire buttons. In case you have a joystick with an additional fire button, it'll test that as well. But for your standard Commodore or Atari joystick, it's going to ignore it. Okay, let's get a clean iron. Start so that we can get a couple of these cut off and out of the way. Now, if I were sitting here doing a bunch of these, I would have my extractor turned on, but it makes some noise, so I'm not too keen on making a bunch of noise right now. I'm gonna get some of these cut and out of the way. I always try to hold these when I'm cutting them, otherwise they'll fly all over the place. And I normally wear glasses, but I can see so much better without them. And I also normally have safety glasses, but I don't have them on right now either, because this is such a quick little project. But yeah, if one of those things went flying into your eye, you wouldn't be too happy. Okay, I got a couple more connections to make on this. And that's the LEDs. I'll clean it up and we'll get ready for the next step. Okay, last but not least is our DB9 connector. This has little snap in place kind of things. We're going to need to solder all these pins, put lots of solder on that to actually hold it. I'm trying to pull it out. I don't know how well you can see it, but I got it flush up against there now. Put it in this little thing. Flip it over. Clean my iron. And hit all these little pins first. All 9. Now this base, which is going to take all the pressure when you're doing things, is we're just going to fill this dumb thing up. There we go. Start on one side, then add to the other side. Take a look at it over there. Nope. Going to add a little more, just to give it a little stronger hold up when you're plugging and unplugging joysticks. There we go. That looks pretty darn good. Okay, I'm going to fetch up a battery and a joystick, and let's get this thing tested. Okay, so here, let's give you a little bit of a demonstration of this. We'll see how well the light can get up there. I'll let it here zero in on that. There we go, that's the fire button. Down, up, left, right, this. So the tester works very well. This joystick needs full repair. So once again, stay tuned to the channel and I will be working on doing some full repairs with the dome switches pretty soon. I will leave a link to everything, including the circuit board from PCBWay, as well as all the components from Amazon. If you decide to order this, order 10 of them from PCBWay, make a bunch for your friends, throw one in your glove compartment, so if you're out thrifting, you can test joysticks before you buy them, or even at garage sales, you can give them a test. Very simple project. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. I'd love to see your comments. We will get back to you on your comments. Bye.